going to continue our previous topic, that is subject, verb and agreement. In this lecture, we will learn some basic rules of subject, verb and agreement. Now, before going to the tricky rules, let's revise what we have done in our previous lecture. Now, in previous lecture, we have understood that what is subject, verb and agreement. Means to make a sentence grammatically correct. Means if we want a sentence to be grammatically correct, both subject and verb should agree with each other. Now you all know that a sentence always consists of both subject and verb. So they have to agree with that. Means if singular subject is there, we take singular verb. If plural subject is there, we take plural verb. Now this is the general rule of subject, verb and agreement. That's why I am repeating it again. Singular subject always has singular verb. Plural subject have always plural verb. Let's see this in an example. Basketball rolls across. Now basketball rolls across. Now here you can see basketball is a singular and we have taken singular verb with that. Right? We have taken rolls, singular word. But if it is like this, basket balls, then we will add roll. Basketballs. Now here it becomes plural. It becomes plural subject. That's why we take plural verb with that. When singular subject, we have taken singular verb. Plural subject, we take plural verb. Means this is the basic rule. This is the general rule of subject, verb and agreement. Apart from this general rule, there are few tricky rules of subject, verb and agreement. So let's see what these tricky rules are. Now let's see rule number 1. That is use of end in a sentence. Now when two singular subjects are joined with end, agar those singular subjects means they are joining with end, then we use with that plural verb. When two singular subjects are joined with and, we use plural verb. Let's see in an example. He and I dash friends. Now he and I are friends. You and he were friends. Now here those singular subjects are there, but we are talking of them together. मीन्स हम उनके लिए दो जनों के लिए बात कर रहे हैं. That's why we are adding were with that. But in case if they both have a same idea or they both are the same person, like when two singular subjects are joined together with and but they have same idea or they are a same person, then we use singular verb. Like you can see the teacher and author. Now here you can see the teacher and author are one person only. Now you will say कि मैम ये कैसे पता पड़ा कि teacher and author are one person. Now the teacher and author are both subjects, right? But article जो लगा हुआ है वो एक ही subject के आगे लगा हुआ है. So that means the teacher and author means हम एक ही पर्सन की बात कर रहे हैं, तभी एक ही सब्जेक्ट के आगे द लगा है. द टीचर भी मीन्स वो टीचर भी है एंड वो ऑथर भी है. इफ इट वॉज लाइक दिस, द टीचर एंड द ऑथर, दोनों सब्जेक्ट के आगे आर्टिकल लगा हुआ होता, देन वी शुड कंसिडर इट सेपरेटली. बट यहाँ पे अगर आप देखोगे, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट वन पर्सन ओनली, मीन्स वही टीचर है एंड वही ऑथर भी है. So that's why we would take a singular verb. Now it comes to some pairs also. देयर आर सम पेयर्स मीन्स वो चीजें भले अलग अलग होती है बट हम उसको जब बोलते हैं तो एज अ पेयर में बोलते हैं, जैसे राइस एंड करी, शूज एंड सॉक्स, ब्रेड एंड बटर। तो जैसे ये वर्ड्स हैं इनके साथ भी हम हमेशा सिंगुलर वर्ब ही यूज करेंगे। लाइक सी एग्जांपल, ब्रेड एंड butter is my favorite food. Now here you can see bread and butter, though they are two different things but here they are taken as a pair, means वो दोनों हमने एक डिश बनाकर खाई, means they are taken as a pair in a dish or a food we can say, or a breakfast we can say. So that's why we have considered it as a singular. That's why we have taken singular verb. Means hope it is clear to you all that singular when two singular subjects are joined with and we use plural verb. But if they share a same idea or a same person or a same thing, जैसे यहाँ पे bread butter है, teacher and author have same person, then we use singular verb. Rule number 2. Now let's see rule number 2. Now what is rule number 2? It is about or and not. Now when two singular subjects are joined with or nor, then we have to use singular verb. Let's see. When two singular subject, one and that is singular subject two, if they both are joined with or not, then we take singular verb. Understood? Then both subjects are joined with or and nor, we take singular verb. Let's see an example. Neither food nor water was found there. Now you can see food and water are joined with nor. So that's why we have taken here singular verb. Means या तो food या तो water. Means we are talking about separately things. या food या water. फूड भी नहीं मिला, पानी भी नहीं मिला, ऐसी हम बात करें. That's why we have taken here singular verb. Either a cat or mouse has been there. या तो cat थी या तो mouse था. Means we are talking separately about that persons. That's why we have added or and we have also used a singular verb. Now there are some exceptional cases in this, like when singular subject, here you can see it is singular subject, but if second subject is plural, यहाँ पे अगर second subject plural होता, then what we have done? We have added, means जो second subject plural है, then we would take a plural verb. Means जो verb के बाजू में जो सब्जेक्ट रहेगा, which is the nearest subject to the verb, that we will consider first. Means if singular subject, like here you can see the chairman, it is a singular subject, right? Neither the chairman nor the directors here is a plural subject. So that's why we have added plural verb over there. Means if singular and plural subjects are there in the sentence, तो जो verb के सबसे nearest है, the subject which is nearest to the verb, we will take it as a we will consider it and then we will use the verb accordingly. Now here you can see directors is a plural, so we have taken here plural verb. But अगर ये sentence कुछ और तरीके से होता, जैसे neither the directors nor the chairman, तब हम यहाँ पे क्या यूज करते, is present. Okay, because यहाँ पे अगर chairman पहले लिखा हुआ होता तो chairman is singular, that's why we would have used is. Now let's see the next rule. Now let's see rule number 3. Now when the words like either, neither, each one, everyone, someone, anyone, these type of words are there in the sentence as a subject, then we use singular verb with them. Like every one of the boys loves to write. Everyone means everyone is there. That's why of the boys loves to write. That's why we have taken singular verb. Someone has left this behind. Someone. And we have taken singular verb. Let's see rule number 4. Now, there are many subjects which look like plural. Means वो दिखने में ऐसा लगता है कि वो plural है, but they have a singular meaning. जैसे mathematics, news, ये दिखने में हमको ऐसा लगता है कि ये plural form है subject का. Obviously because of the s at the end. So, but they have a singular meaning only. So that's why we use singular verb with them. Means a noun or a subject which looks like plural but have a singular meaning. So what we will use? We will use singular verb with them. What we will use? We will use singular verb. Like mathematics is my favorite subject. Now mathematics is my favorite subject. But we have used singular verb. We can also say news is not true. News. Here again news. It looks like plural but it has a singular meaning. So that's why we have taken singular verb. Now opposite, total opposite इसका अगर हम देखें, there are some words which look like singular but they have a plural meaning. So what we will do? What are these type of words? First see, one dozen, dozen. Now dozen it looks like singular. Dozen apple means लगता है कि singular है, right? But they have a plural meaning. You all know dozen means 12, right? And couple means couple. मीन्स वहां पे दो जनों की बात चल रही है बट वो दिखने में ऐसा लगता है कि इट इज सिंगुलर. मीन्स इट लुक्स लाइक सिंगुलर बट हैज अ प्लूरल मीनिंग. सो वी विल यूज प्लूरल वर्ब विथ दैट. One dozen apple cost 1,000 rupees. Now it looks like you can see dozen apple. यहाँ पे दिखने में ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये सिंगल एप्पल की बात चल रही है. मीन्स एक ही एप्पल की बात चल रही है बट इट इज टॉक अबाउट 12 एप्पल्स, राइट? That's why we have used plural verb with that. A couple is going out to have a dinner. A couple means हम दो जनों की बात कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. So that's why we have taken is. Means हम उसके साथ क्या यूज करेंगे? Sorry, couple are going out for a dinner. तो couple के साथ हमने क्या यूज किया? Plural verb. So I hope these rules are clear with you. And if you want to watch the previous video, I will share the link in the description box. So till